Hi, welcome to Reypurposed Made, where I, Reinaldo, show you the ins and outs of some of my furniture projects. I try to always incorporate art into the furniture making process so that each finished piece is custom and one of a kind. Check out how I do it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. What is one of the best and easiest ways to add a pop-up design and decor in your house? Plants, of course, but they need things like light and space, right? So what do you do in those long, narrow New York City apartment hallways? Add some wall art, of course. And you want something visually appealing yet simple, so it doesn't overpower the space, but elevates it. You know me, I like to create 3-story houses out of 1-bedroom apartments, but sometimes I can do more than just furniture. Just create cool artistic stuff to hang on the wall or just be in the house. I first created this project about 5 years ago. It was very much like what you see there, but it was completely made out of repurposed pallet wood and inspired by a dream catcher. I wanted to come back to this project because it's been so long and see how I would interpret the same idea now. I left the woodburn pattern rather simple because I want you to finish it. You to finish it by personalizing this piece for your very own home and having me woodburn something extra special that only pertains to you. Whether it's like your kids' names, your wedding day, your grandmother's birthday, your nickname in school, your Instagram name, your school when you were a little kid, your mom's name, your zodiac sign, something. While this is definitely one of my more simple projects, this is still a multi-functioning piece. It's not just a wall art piece inspired by a dream catcher or a woodburn, it actually has function. The little black piece there is a chalkboard, so this can have notes, it can say welcome, the house of, or whatever it is a piece that does more than just look pretty. It says stuff too if you want. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Stick around, there is a little bit more, but I want to take this time to ask you to like, share, subscribe, follow my videos. You can click on the little bell at the bottom so you'll know when I drop a new video every Wednesday. And if you want to see more of my work, keep in touch, or have your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you. Now keep watching. I mentioned plants earlier, and as I was thinking about it, I wonder if there's a way that I can create a piece like this, but also have some kind of ledge maybe to hold a plant. So like a super dope hanging planter or something like that, that's in the works.